Did you know that Moringa powder provides 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 10 times more vitamin A than carrots, 17 times more calcium than milk, 9 times more protein than yogurt, 15 times more potassium than bananas, and 25 times more iron than spinach? Yes, you heard it right. Let's explore why Moringa powder is a superfood you absolutely need to know about. First, let's explain what Moringa is and where it comes from. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is a plant native to India and parts of Africa. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its remarkable health benefits. Almost every part of the Moringa tree is edible, but the leaves are particularly nutrient-dense. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and essential amino acids, making Moringa a true nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's talk about the process of turning Moringa leaves into powder. The journey begins with harvesting the fresh leaves from the Moringa tree. These leaves are then carefully washed to remove any dirt or impurities. Once cleaned, the leaves are spread out in a shaded area to air dry, ensuring they retain their nutrients. After drying, the leaves are ground into a fine powder, which is then sifted to achieve a smooth consistency. This powder is what we call Moringa powder, and it's ready to be incorporated into your diet. In a world where common health issues are on the rise, Moringa powder can be a game changer. This incredible superfood is packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties that can truly revolutionize your well-being. Let's break down the health benefits of Moringa powder. First up, its nutritional profile. Moringa powder is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, potassium, and iron. These nutrients are vital for maintaining good health and preventing deficiencies. Next, let's talk about antioxidants. Moringa powder is loaded with antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These compounds can help combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and keeping your cells healthy. One of the standout benefits of Moringa powder is its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues, including heart disease and arthritis. Moringa powder contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation, promoting overall health. But wait, here comes the key moment you've been waiting for. The most surprising benefit of Moringa powder is its ability to boost energy levels naturally and sustainably. Unlike caffeine or sugar, Moringa provides a steady increase in energy without the crash, making it perfect for combating those midday slumps. Incorporating Moringa powder into your daily routine can lead to a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. From improved immunity to glowing skin, the benefits are truly endless. Imagine feeling more energized, having better digestion, and even seeing improvements in your skin health. Here are 5 simple ways to incorporate Moringa powder into your daily routine. But remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or treatment plan, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Moringa tea. Add a teaspoon of Moringa powder to hot water. Stir well and let it steep for a few minutes. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor. This makes for a refreshing and nutrient-packed tea. Smoothies. Blend a teaspoon of Moringa powder into your favorite smoothie. It pairs well with fruits like bananas, berries, and mango. This is a great way to boost your morning drink with extra vitamins and minerals. Soups. Stir Moringa powder or the whole leaves into your soups just before serving. It works particularly well in vegetable and lentil soups, adding a nutritional punch without altering the flavor too much. Salads. Sprinkle Moringa powder over your salads or mix it into salad dressings. It's an easy way to enhance your greens with additional nutrients. Baking. Incorporate Moringa powder into your baking recipes. You can add it to muffins, bread, and even pancakes. Just mix a teaspoon or 2 into your batter for a healthy twist. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you found this video on Moringa powder benefits and ways to incorporate it into your diet both informative and inspiring. Now, I encourage you to try Moringa powder for yourself and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our other videos on superfoods for more health tips. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, stay informed, and stay empowered. See you in the next video.